Hello, sir. For this video, I will show you our system protocol. So, our title is Smart Padlock using phone application protocol. So, the application is structured to the server ID in first name string, last name string, email string, password string, and for the add user, user void, remove user void, attack activity, activity boolean, remove activity, activity boolean. And for the user, int ID, name string, date, and of access, a release boolean. To the smart padlock, in ID in, door status in, lock status in, name string, and the addition is open door, boolean, close door boolean, lock door boolean, unlock door boolean, and for the activity is the date, time, and event. So for the server interface, we have the profile, client or the user, home, and time and date. So for the profile, ito yung makikita mo dun sa profile. So kung maglalagin ka, dito yung name, email, and the password. And the edit, makikita mo dyan yung edit, then the save. Sa edit naman, you can change the name, change the email, change the password, profile picture, and delete user. Ito yung for dun sa server. And sa user, the name, yung profile nandito, and then ito yung for the user. So as we can see, the name, the profile, and the day. And for the user, as we can see, the name, the profile, and the day, that we can only unlock the door. Another feature of user, you can see the user and admin and the add button, the search, and 3 example user. So for the green, the meaning of this screen is this is your schedule that you can only unlock the door. Sa home, there's mapapakita dito yung status ng door. So naka-close pa lang siya. Hindi pa nang open ng user yung door. And the date and time. Naglagay kami ng possible na. And for the date and time, then the activity. And for the date and time, this is the activity. Dito magpapakita yung mga nagbukas ng door. Dito magpapakita yung magbubukas. And for the time and date, activity. So dito magpapakita yung name mo kung kailan at anong oras mo binuksan yung door. And for the user interface, we have similar on the server. So the profile, home, user, time and date. Sa profile, same lang din sa server. If you sign in and edit, you can only edit your name, password, and the profile picture. Home. So, sa home, before you home. So, before you can unlock your door, you must enter your password. If you entered your password correctly, then you can open and close the door. For the time and date, dito magpapakita kung kailan mo, for the date and time, dito mo makikita kung kailan mo binuksan at anong oras mo binuksan yung door. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.